Good morning, distance learners. Today we are going to be learning some more about Mesopotamia, and we're going to be taking some notes today for the first time on Mesopotamia. So before you get started, make sure that you've downloaded the Mesopotamia notes from LMS. Once you've downloaded them, you'll see that the first page is some vocabulary words for this unit that I'd like you to learn. I want you to take a minute to pause the video and only complete the first 3 for today. So take irrigation and read the definition, write it in a sentence, and insert an image of something that helps you remember irrigation. Same with canal and levee. And you can stop there with your vocabulary and then continue the video. Today we're going to take notes on the geography page. On Friday you read about Mesopotamia's geography and filled in a chart. Make sure that you have shared that chart with me so that I can be grading that today and making sure that you've done an excellent job. Let's fill in a few blanks. This unit will be filling in some blanks as well as typing in. So let's go ahead and get started. Mesopotamia is a Greek word meaning the land between two rivers. Mesopotamia is a region where the first civilizations began, which is why it is also referred to as the cradle of civilization. Mesopotamia was settled by Noah's son Ham after the global flood. So these are all things you've already learned, but we want to make sure that we put them in our notes so that we can be studying these things about Mesopotamia's geography for upcoming quizzes and tests. In the red box, I want you to take a picture of the map that you drew for Mesopotamia last week, and I want you to insert it here into your notes in the red box. Mesopotamia's geography. So there are a few advantages that we learned about on Friday, but the ones I want you to remember in your notes are that, first of all, land in a river valley is flat and easy to farm on. Second of all, the river provided water, fish, and a highway to travel on. And third, the river carried silt that made the soil fertile. So that river valley and the two rivers, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, are going to be very, very important because they make the land fertile and easy to farm on. But we did learn that there were some problems with Mesopotamia's geography. We learned that it's very hot and dry, and sometimes the temperatures can reach up to 118 degrees. And we learned that during the rainy season, they receive either so little rain that the crops wither from the heat or so much rain that the crops are destroyed from flooding. The floods would kill animals and also destroy homes. So the Mesopotamians create some solutions. They invent the plow to farm easier, they invent the wheel to use on their plows, and they invented a system of irrigation that included canals and levees to provide water to their farms. Now that you've filled in your notes, I want you to go ahead and take a minute to study for your quiz tomorrow. I will be giving you a quiz on Mesopotamia's geography, what we learned last week, and then what we wrote down today. So make sure you study the notes that we took today. There is a Quizlet, and the link to the Quizlet is in RenWeb. And there is also a practice map that I'd like you to fill in because you will have to label the parts of Mesopotamia's map just like you did last week. So you can also find this link on RenWeb as well. Today we have a Zoom meeting. I'd really like you to join us because in class we're doing a simulation of what it would really be like to live on a farm in Mesopotamia. So I'd love for you to join us so that you could participate in that game. That will be at 1:30. It will be from 1:30 to 2. So join us on Zoom today. I look forward to seeing you. Have an excellent day.